Remove the makeup. Cleanse the face thoroughly. IRF targets under eye shadows and fine lines for visible improvement. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Evenly apply RF cream to the treatment area. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Face RF, lifting and firming. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Evenly apply RF cream to the treatment area. Glide the handle in circular motions across the area. Move the handle upward to promote lifting. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Cold and hot, soothing and circulation boost. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, select based on individual needs. Apply facial serum. Glide the handle in circular motions across the area. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Lipo laser, targets and reduces double chin. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Secure the strap around the head. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Let the device operate for 20 minutes. Remove the pads and strap. Apply a facial mask. BIO, elevate skin absorption. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. BIO energy level, 3. LED energy level, 3. Mode, M1. LED color, select based on the recipient's skin condition. Use a stamping technique to the treatment area. Remove the mask. Cleanse the face. Followed by the regular skincare routine.